with what we have as a person. And that is actually one of the things that we also need to consider if we're going to have innovations. Being a district supervisor in our cluster, I always look for the important things that we need to innovate though for our schools. And for the information of everybody, there are 7 schools under my cluster, and based on the data of the schools, we need to innovate. We need to have school intervention programs in order for our learners to thrive and survive, especially during this time. And how do I balance it? It's just very simple. We just do things, the things that we need, that I have think that's the thing that we need to do. And of course, for the benefit of our learners. So we have actually innovations as intervention as our simple innovation that is based on the tradition, because we cannot do away with it. So that could be our, for me, beliefs and traditions is safe. That will somehow give me the idea and the template on what innovation to be done that is fitted and suited to the needs of our learners for the improvement of our education in SDO Carter City.
Thank you so much, Dr. Layson.
Natubag to, guys? Kuyawan man sa tanin niyo.
Why not? Let's give a big hand to Dr. Layson for that.